Hey, what's up, KDP coloring book sellers? Check this out. If you're an Amazon KDP coloring book seller, you're going to want to see this. Really important, a little tutorial guide. So here we are inside of Nurie Creator, the world's best AI tool to create and sell coloring books. Yes, I know I say that a lot, but it's true, especially with no API keys, no recurring costs. Anyways, I want to show you this really cool tool within Nurie Creator that allows you to create SVGs, vector graphics. I don't know what the S stands for. If you know what the S stands for, let me know in the comment section. But basically, these are, well, let's go there. So here we are in the mainframe. Let's go to Tools. Let's go to Speedy SVGs. Basically, an SVG image file is an image that won't degrade no matter how, or it won't lose resolution no matter how big you stretch it out, how big you make it. It looks good at any size, basically. That's what the beauty of an SVG is. And as you can imagine, they're great. Let's say you're selling printables and you're selling like a giant poster, right? You want an SVG or a t-shirt SVG, a coloring book SVG. Those are the best, right? Obviously. So how do we create it? Well, within Nurie Creator, we have an SVG AI maker, okay? We have grayscale, black and white, and color. Let's put in here, I don't know, cute cat sitting. Let's do that. Cute cat sitting. Let's start with grayscale. That's like the shading within an image. I don't know if that grayscale only applies to black and white, or it also applies to color. But grayscale is like you see that right there. You see all that gray. Okay. Now let's do it with a black and white image. So this is of course for, and if you like this, just download it here. There's a download SVG file. Now, if you're doing a black and white coloring book image, you definitely want to select black and white. Click generate SVG, cute cat sitting. Let's see what we get. Black and white, 0 grayscale. Okay, very good. Now let's go with color. Click generate SVG, and boom, we have our color SVG cat file, right? And as you can see, it's stylized the same and everything. So there you go. And if you like it, just click download right here. And that's another tool. Don't forget, if you want SVG at its lowest, SVG, if you want Nurie Creator at its lowest cost, make sure you check out the link above. We have a discount for you, and we do have bonuses as well. On top of this, what else? Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like it, please share. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.